I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and we're getting into fall season now. Actually, already starting to see some color on some of the trees. You can see some of the color that's coming out right here.
Yeah, this summer has been great. We had a segment earlier talking about the rain was bad for some of the shrubs, but man, for the trees, I think we're going to have some incredible fall foliage this year. What we've seen though, Jeff, is some of the customers have been bringing in for trees that haven't been planted that long, or there's a real poor drainage, where the foliage has already started to drop off, and man, they're freaking out, going, "Oh, is my tree dying?" One of the things you want to look for, I'm going to pull this down just a little bit, we're just having them go back and look and make sure that there's a bud right there. If the bud is there, it's going to be fine. It's going to leaf back out next spring. Right here's a little area I broke off earlier. As long as it's green up underneath, same thing.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it. No indication that it's dying.
No, but the customer, when they put something in, 2 months ago, and it's already looking like this, it is starting to scare them. Fall is one of the best times to plant, so I'm suggesting over the next really month or so, even early winter is a great time to be putting trees out. A couple things you want to do, especially in West Little Rock, is make sure you dig the hole extra big. Check the drainage in there. We talk about the moisture meter. If you don't want to do that, at least pour water down in there. Make sure it's going to drain out well. Two products that we like to use every time we plant trees, especially this time of year. One of them is going to be the Super Thrive, which is a great hormone. Takes about a drop per gallon, and it does a good job of just releasing what fertilizer is available in the soil. And then our Jumpstart, which is an organic fertilizer, we put that in there as well. So now's a great time to plant. Now up till Christmas, you can plant trees, shrubs, anything like that.
Now, depending on your soil type, say you got a lot of clay, is it a good idea to maybe get some soil from here and actually instead of filling the hole back up with what you have, to use some new soil?
You do want to use some new soil. What you don't want to do, again, where there's a lot of clay from Cabot, Maumelle, West Little Rock, so much clay. So you'd mix about a third good soil. You can use a good potting soil or just some of our bulk soil if you want, with 2/3 existing soil. One of the keys is going to be putting in something like some Jumpstart, digging a little bit deeper so you can have some drainage. If you use all good potting mix around it, the roots really don't have to struggle much. And so when they go out and hit that clay, it's almost like growing in that pot right there. They just won't penetrate and keep going on.
You're effectively turning it into a pot.
You are.
And then that can cause some problems down the road. So the key is to mix it up a little bit.
Correct.
All right. That sounds good. That's about all the time we have for this week in the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.